Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make calls hand-free using Siri on iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down you will see click on Siri. Now here click on talk to Siri and turn on this button. After turn on this button, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So if you want to test, hey Siri, go to settings app. Hey Siri, go back to screen. Hey Siri, go back. Hey Siri, open utilities folder. Okay. Hey Siri, open camera app. You will see it's work properly. So after the process, refresh phone. So that's how you can make calls hand free using on Siri on iOS 26. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.